Here's the one thing I know for sure. To become a data analyst, you don't need to know Python, data engineering, or any of these other things. Instead, start with foundational data thinking skills, get up to speed with Excel and SQL, and learn a data visualization tool. In this video, I'll go through the 8 courses you need to take to become a data analyst. These days, everyone works with data, which means we all need to know how to interpret, analyze, and communicate with data. This is all covered in our free 2.5-hour data literacy course, which goes through the core components of the data literacy skill set: interpreting, managing, analyzing, and communicating with data. This is a course I'd recommend to everyone, no matter if you want to become a data analyst or not. Next, thinking like an analyst. This course is how I got my own start in data. It's a 5-hour course that provides the foundational skills needed for a successful career in data. Not only is it our most popular course, but it's also designed to help you think like a world-class analyst, which is truly a skill that can't be underestimated, especially in today's job market. Next, Excel Foundations. If you're anything like me, Excel was never really a tool that you actually learned how to use. This course aims to change that by teaching you spreadsheet fundamentals, basic formulas, and more. After a strong foundation in how to think like an analyst and some basic spreadsheet fundamentals, it's time to dig into the real meat and potatoes, starting with Excel formulas and functions. Next up, Excel pivot tables and charts. Learning how to use pivot tables opens up a whole new world, so I definitely recommend understanding when and how to use them. Moving on from Excel, SQL is where I would turn to next. I recommend taking the MySQL Data Analysis course. If you were to know just 2 tools as a data analyst, I would recommend Excel and SQL because they give you the strongest, most versatile foundation, at least in my opinion. Next, Advanced SQL Querying. This is a brand new course from Maven Analytics and one of my top recommendations. While the MySQL Data Analysis course is a great introduction, this course actually lets you understand SQL's full capabilities. Data visualization is a topic that an aspiring analyst can't afford to skip. This recommendation is a little bit different because there are 2 ways you can go, either Microsoft Power BI Desktop or Intro to Tableau Desktop. Both are incredibly powerful, useful tools, and a lot of it comes down to personal choice and operating system. So there it is, your roadmap to becoming a data analyst. Again, start with the foundations. You can take our free data literacy course here. Then get into Excel, the most popular data analysis tool out there. Next, learn SQL, which will help you truly understand how to structure and manipulate data. And finally, learn a data visualization tool, Power BI for PC users and Tableau for Mac users. I'm Lauren from Maven Analytics. Thanks for watching, and as always, make sure to like and subscribe for data content just like this. See you in the next one.